we have to use ought to and used to. We have already discussed about this in our previous time. So ought to, when we use ought to is your duty, तुम्हें करना चाहिए. Okay, ought to is your compulsion, it's like a duty, करना चाहिए. चाहिए के सेंस में इट्स goes along with you. So we ought to do our duty. हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें ड्यूटी करनी चाहिए. We ought to follow the rules of lockdown, it's our obligation. हमें रूल्स जो है लॉकडाउन के जो रूल्स है उसे फॉलो करना चाहिए. वी ऑट टू फॉलो द रूल्स ऑफ लॉकडाउन. यू ऑट टू बी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन. हेयर आई एम गिविंग यू एडवाइस दैट यू हैव टू follow the rules and regulations and you have to become to a responsible person. You ought to be a responsible person. तुम्हें अब एक responsible person बनना चाहिए. The price of onion ought to come down soon. Here I am showing my probabilities related to my thinking that maybe this is the season of onions. So in this seasons we have got we can get more onions. So the price of the onion may get lower in this situation. So it's my probability that the price of onion will ought to come down soon. धीरे धीरे वो क्या होगा, वो कम होता जाएगा. He oughtn't, okay, oughtn't smoke too much. ये नेगेटिव फॉर्म, हेयर आई एम शोइंग यू नेगेटिव फॉर्म. सो ही oughtn't, उसे नहीं करना चाहिए इतने ज़्यादा स्मोकिंग, उसे नहीं करना चाहिए. ही oughtn't smoke too much. And used to जब भी हम when we are using the past sentence and in the first form, in the first sentence of the paragraph, when I used to speak about my past, so we can use the words with used to, and thereafter the all other sentences will go with would. Okay, then she used to join Google Classroom. It shows my past habit. वो क्या करते, वो Google Classroom ज्वाइन किया करती थी. So if I will say would and used to form, so if I will say when I used to play with my friends and they joined with me, then we would play together, and thereafter they would enjoy a lot. So this type of sentence in the first sentence of a paragraph, when you are using the sentence सकता था, ताती and था. Okay, ताती के साथ जब था आएगा, so in that type of sentence you will use the first sentence with the used to, and thereafter we will use the would form. Okay, for your showing your past habits. You don't have to write used to in every sentences inside the paragraph, each and every sentence. The first sentence will be will be used to, and thereafter the other words and other sentences will go on with would. Next one, has to. Uses of has to versus have to. Wait. Yeah, has to versus have to. So both are used to some compulsion, necessity और obligation. Okay, आपको has to, have to, ये भी आपकी compulsion है, necessity या obligation है, जो भी चीज़ आप कह सकते हो. And has to, have to, both are used for present and future tenses, and had to will be used for past tense. Sorry, I have to withdraw money from the bank. Okay, मुझे क्या बैंक से मनी विड्रॉ करनी चाहिए. She doesn't have to finish the drawing. उसने क्या है, फिनिश नहीं की है अपनी ड्राइंग को. So here I am using doesn't and with have to, because the have to we can say doesn't. Okay, only it's a have to is the exception form that we can't use do, does, did. Okay, but with the have to it's for making the negative sentences. She doesn't have to finish the work. Okay, so we can do like this. Next one, need versus dare. What is the meaning of need? क्या करना चाहिए, you not talk to her. Okay, तुम्हें बात करनी चाहिए. need आपकी क्या, ज़रूरत. it shows your necessity. Okay, and dare means that how dare you, तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसी हुई. Okay, so this type of words, and these are also called the modal. So need, you need to talk to her. It's your necessity that तुम्हें क्या करना चाहिए, उससे बातें करनी चाहिए. need she pay the amount. It's your obligation that क्या उसने पैसे पे कर दिए. I need not, needn't, it's needn't. Okay, I needn't meet him. मुझसे नहीं मिला, मैंने उससे मुझे मिलने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं. ओके, एंड हाउ डेयर यू टॉक टू मी, तुम्हारी हिम्मत मुझसे ऐसे हुई. एंड ही डेयर टॉक टू मी, उसने हिम्मत की. ओके, सो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टैंड. सो नाउ इट्स अ थैंक यू टाइम. सो थैंक यू एंड हैव अ नाइस डे. बाय बाय.